Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. And in today's video I will show you how I do my natural makeup like this uh, without any foundation in 5 minutes. Yes, in 5 minutes. Especially it's great if you are a beginner or if you are in a hurry. So if you want to learn it all, keep on watching this video till the end. But like always, before we start, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel to show support. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have used the Clarins anti-pollution mist. You can use rose water mist if you want, because we are going for a natural look. So the idea is to make the skin look very hydrated, moisturized and alive. So yeah, make sure to use any mist of your choice and let it dry for 5 to 10 seconds. Now moving on to the next step. And now I'm using my favorite, the Bulgarian Rose Satin Cream from Hamish to make my skin more moisturized and glowy, and because it's the makeup primer that makes the makeup last longer, so it's really great if you are going for a natural look. So yeah, and it smells heavily. I don't have to say it again and again, but I can't stop myself. Next, I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Eye Repair Cream, which is a great cream to make the eye area much more moisturized and alive and hydrated. So yeah, I'm using this all over my eye very evenly. The idea is to make the eye skin area very moisturized, and using this cream, make sure that it stays natural and does not look very overdone. And now I'm going to use the priming lip gloss stain from Manna Kadar named Manna Babe, and you can see the review of whole of its range on my channel. I'm going to post the link over here, and the makeup look is not complete yet, but the idea of using the lip stain right now is that once I'm done with the makeup, the overall stain would be much more muted and only the color would remain, giving it a very natural look. So stay with me. Yeah. And now I have used my favorite primer for the eyes, the Ingrid Mineral Silk and Lift, and it's blending like butter because I've used the night repair cream before, and I've made sure to use a very little quantity. So because we are going for a natural look. So I have used Ingrid Smart Eyeshadow Palette, and I've used the lightest brown shade to cover my entire lid to give the very natural effect. And then I used my favorite Essence Teddy eye pencil, Kajal eye pencil, to make the eyes look alive and open and big, so you can see. And now let's move on to the face, the skin. And we are not going to use any foundation, but what we are going to use, let's see. So I have corrected my entire face using orange lipstick from NICKA. The name is 03 NMS from NICKA. You can use any other orange lipstick or a color corrector if you have an orange shade, but I wanted to make this video very relatable. So yeah, that's why I've used the orange lipstick so everyone can use it. Alright, now we will use a concealer. So I'm going to do another step now. You can leave up to this and then go ahead just like that, but I'm going to do another step. Especially it's great for people with acne prone or oily skin, and for that I'll be using the screen mist again from Clarins, and obviously you can use any mist of your choice, or makeup spray, makeup setting spray as well. And then I'll use a compact. So first I'll use this and let it sit for like 5-10 minutes on my face again, so that it absorbs really well into my skin. And then I'm going to use the compact. Okay, I'm going to use this compact, and I'm going to have a very light feather-like hand where I have used the concealer, because I don't want the concealer to budge. On other places we can just like go. We can be harsh. I'm just saying, don't be harsh with yourself, don't be harsh on your skin. So use it like very gently. It's a great compact powder from Body Shop. It's such a shame that they have discontinued it. Well, I don't know, I can't find it over here anymore. That's it. Almost we are done. Yeah. As natural as it can get. It looks very beautiful, very natural. And if you want, you can use a blush or a highlighter, a cream blush. And don't worry if you think that, oh, it's so powdery or anything like that. I just told you that it's a great step for people with acne prone or oily skin, because the compact is going to get absorbed into the skin, and actually it's going to give a very light coverage. If you have dry skin, feel free to use BB cream, alright, before you use the color correction step. Use BB cream. So I'm going to use my trusted blush again. Okay, again, Luscious, and I'm going to use it on the temple, on the higher side of my cheekbone, because I want to give a very nice glowy look. That's it. A little bit of a color on the face, and that's it. It's done. Brings us to the end of the video, and you can see that how easy this natural no foundation makeup look is. And if you look at my lipstick, then you can see that the lipstick or lip stain has reduced its intensity a lot. A lot of it's gone, but the stain remains, as I've told you, and which looks so natural. And it's gonna stay like this for like 2 to 3 hours as long as I don't eat or drink anything. So, and that's the thing, you can use any lip stain or any lipstick instead, and if you have any excess, then you can just wipe off from your lips, and that's it. That's going to give you a very nice natural flush on the lips. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed creating it. And if you want to know about the products that I've used in this tutorial, then go to my website aishadvlogs.com and know all about it. So until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao.